In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully set up and verify your account with Wise, an essential step to ensure secure and smooth transactions. First, let's dive into completing your profile. This is an important initial step that sets the stage for a hassle-free experience with Wise. Start by filling in your personal details, such as your full legal name, date of birth, and address. Make sure that every piece of information you provide matches your identification documents. This consistency is crucial for the verification process and helps prevent any potential delays in getting your account fully operational. Next, you'll need to verify both your email and phone number. Wise will send a verification code directly to your email address. When you receive this email, simply click the link contained within to complete the verification of your email. At the same time, you'll receive a code via SMS to your phone number. Enter this code on the Wise platform to confirm your phone number. This dual-step verification process ensures that Wise can reliably contact you regarding notifications and updates to your account. Now let's move on to submitting your identification documents. Log into your account and locate the verification prompt. It's typically accessible by clicking on your profile picture or a banner within the app interface. Select the type of ID you're going to use, whether it be a passport, driver's license, or national ID. If your ID is a plastic card, make sure to take clear, well-lit photos of both the front and back. It's important that the images are not blurry and that all text is legible. Wise may also ask you to take a live selfie as an additional step to confirm your identity. This is often done in the same session as the ID photo. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Depending on your location and the amount you intend to send, you might be required to provide proof of address. This usually involves submitting a recent bank statement or utility bill that clearly displays your name and address. Having this documentation ready can streamline the process and help avoid any interruptions. Once you've gathered and submitted all necessary documents, Wise will review them. The verification process can be quite swift, sometimes taking just a couple of minutes, but it might also extend up to 2 working days. You'll be notified as soon as your documents have been reviewed. In the event that your submission is rejected, don't worry. You'll receive a notification and will have the opportunity to re-upload your documents following the same straightforward steps. By thoroughly completing each of these steps, you'll ensure that your Wise account is set up accurately and efficiently. With verification out of the way, you can focus on securely and easily managing your transactions. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your account is in good standing.